Hello everyone, I'm Ashely Sellers, speech language pathologist and owner and operator of Speech, Language, and Beyond. And yes, I am coming to you today with another Learn With Me speech and language home activities during COVID-19 video. If you've seen the previous video, yes, we have reviewed the language seek and find boards, but we did it with the ones that was targeting opposites. This one that I'm going to discuss with you, it is the original boards that I created back in 2017. I'm reviewing it with you again because since that time, I have added on another set of boards and I want you to see what that looks like. And I also want to provide you with a live demonstration with my son Ashton David on how you can use this activity at home with your child. I will include that link to the original video if you just want to go and see how it is used. And then, like I said, in this video, you will get another description on the preliminary information concerning everything that is contained with this product, and then a live demonstration on how you can use it with your child. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So as you can see, this is a picture of all 8 boards. So let me say this. I have boards that are still left over from when I originally did them in 2017, and I've included the 2 new boards I recently created to those sets I have already. Those sets also included the wooden glasses. I'm going to go ahead and sell those, phase them out, and then it's going to also contain the magnifying glasses as seen in the previous video, okay? And so let's go ahead and kind of break down what these boards look like and what they contain. So if you take a look at this first picture that is in the upper left corner of your screen, this is one of the sets that was included in the original wooden boards I created for the Language Seek and Find series. So same thing as before, you're going to have a board for yourself and then give a board to your child. They're going to choose the pair of glasses that they want and you choose one as well. The object is to decide, once you find something on your board, to have your child find something that functions with the item that you created. And as before, depending on how old your child is and where their level is as far as being able to identify objects on command or name them on command, or being able to answer a question on command and then locate information, it's going to determine whether or not you need to review the items that are contained on the board. And that's simply just going through and naming each item. So on this first one, you will say, okay, well, let's name the items that we have: egg, baby, key, banana, shoe, grape jelly, car, bed, cereal, socks, peanut butter, lock, dog, milk, bottle, pillow, monkey, bacon, gas, just to make sure that they can identify everything that's on the board. So you're going to actually take your set of glasses and say, okay, well, I have my glasses on a baby. Is there anything on your board that goes with the baby? Your child should get their pair of glasses and put it on the milk. And then that is when you're going to present them with the question that targets object function. So you're going to ask them, well, tell me, why does the baby and the bottle belong together? And their response should be, the baby drinks out of the bottle. Okay? And so what this activity does, it sets you up for identifying. So if you don't feel that your child is quite ready for that level, then you can use those glasses and say, okay, well, let's look at your board. And instead of you having your own board, they just have one. And you say, okay, well, put your glasses on the socks. Put your glasses on the gas. Put your glasses on the milk. You can do that for both boards to make sure no matter which one they get, they're familiar with the items. That's identifying common objects. Then you can also say, okay, well, I'm going to put my glasses on something and I want you to tell me what it is. So when you put your glasses on the socks, instead of saying, show me socks, you're going to say, what is this? And they should say socks. So that's the working on naming common objects. And then once you feel like they are at a level where they can do that, then you can go back to the original way it was designed by allowing them to find which one goes with yours and asking them the question. And what this does, it builds on their ability to combine words together to form a sentence. It helps their ability to answer questions, giving a relevant answer to what's being presented to them as well. Okay, and so if we go and we look at the second one in the lower left corner, this is another set that was included in the original set that I released back in 2017, and it is the same thing. Now, I will say that because I wanted the board to kind of stick out, to be colorful, to be animated, to be something that would want to draw the child's attention, some pictures may not always be right side up. Some may be purposely upside down or crooked, just to add some form of, animation or to make the board more exciting to look at. So still feel free to review with them what's on the board so that way they're not confused. And this last one that we actually have, it shows the set that I've just added, and you're going to use that same method. So it's pretty much the same concept as before, but this time you're just dealing with object function. So I'm going to go ahead and let you take a look at what this would look like if you decided to use this at home with your child. And throughout the video, you will be able to find the link to this activity in my Etsy shop if you decide that you want to purchase it. I hope that you enjoy this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Gotta go down. All right, you guys. So this is probably about the third time you've seen us with exactly what it is that we have on today, but we have sat here and recorded 3 videos all together just for you guys. And this last time, you probably already have seen the clip where I go through with you what the language seek and find board is. This is the original board that deals with object function. I've chosen the 2 newest boards that I've added to give you an example of how to use this product. Now, when I first began using these products, I actually used, give me those glasses right there, Ashton. I actually used the glasses. Okay, and so the set that I have left, they still will have the glasses with them. Once I fade out the glasses, then this too will come with the magnifying glass. Mommy, okay, but we're going to use it with the glasses for today.
Mommy, I already have glasses.
Right, I know you do.
So I don't need those glasses?
No, but we're going to use it with the activity today just because we've already shown them what we do with the stamper and with the magnifying glass. Ready to concentrate? All right, here's your board. Here's mine. What color glasses would you like, sir? Choose one.
What's my favorite color and my color?
Blue is your favorite color and it's your color. Okay, well, there's your blue. What color is mommy going to get? I think I'm going to do orange.
I thought you like yellow the best.
You want me to do yellow? Okay. I don't get to choose my own color, you guys. I got to go with what Ashton wants me to do. That happens very often around here. All right. Do you want to name the things you have on your board, or you think that you're okay?
I think I want to see. I think I want.
You want to name what's on there first? Okay. So
What
tell me what you have.
What about you?
Okay.
What about you?
Well, I just want you to name what you. Well, I'm okay, but we can name what you have. What do you have on your board?
A bee.
Mm-hmm.
A present.
Mm-hmm.
A hand.
Mm-hmm.
A fish.
Good.
A chair.
Mm-hmm. Sit it down so they can see it. A chair. What else?
A remote.
A remote.
A spider.
A spider. What else?
A football.
Mm-hmm.
A computer.
Good. And then what else?
A bunny.
Very good. So on my board, I have honey, a mouse, a football helmet, a desk, a Christmas tree, web, carrot, mitten, TV, and a fish. So Ashton, what on your board would go with my spider web? Got it. Don't be like me and give it away, because I should have just said web.
Spider.
A spider. So put your glasses on the spider.
Spider. I'll just do it like this.
Okay, that's good.
So I won't spot something.
Okay. So tell me, why does the spider and the spider web belong together?
Because they make spider webs.
Who makes spider webs?
Spider.
The spider makes the web. That's why it belongs together.
Yeah, because we found one green spider, right?
Mm-hmm.
And 2 yellow ones.
Where did we find them?
In our backyard.
It's the backyard?
Front yard.
In the front yard when he was outside playing yesterday. Okay.
Well, I was trying to put dirt in my monster jam things. I saw them on the front porch.
Right. And so even with this activity, it can still spark them to start talking about other things, which is fine. You don't necessarily want them to get sidetracked, but if they're talking about something on this board that relates to their daily life experience, then you want to continue with that, because the goal is for them to be able to use the language skills that they're learning here to communicate with you about things that are going on in their everyday life. Okay? Real life. All right, here's the next one. What do you have on your board that would go with my mitten? Good. So put your glasses on that. Why does the hand and the mitten belong together?
Because hands wear mittens.
Good. The mittens go on your hands. You wear mittens on your hands.
If they get caught in the holidays.
Very good.
In the snow.
What season is it cold? What season?
Christmas.
Well, Christmas is the holiday, but it happens during what season? Winter, summer, spring, or fall? Winter. So you wear gloves in the winter when it's cold.
And a jacket.
Yeah, and typically you're going to wear them around Christmas time, Thanksgiving, a holiday. Very good.
Yeah, and you should get sick.
Good job.
You should get sick.
All right, what on your board goes with my desk?
Computer.
Why did you choose computer?
Because it goes on the desk.
Very good. You can put the computer on the desk. That is a right answer, but there's another answer.
Chair.
Good. Why does the desk and the chair belong together?
Because people need to sit.
You sit in the chair at the what?
Office.
At the desk in your office. Are you going to stand up and work from your desk?
Nope.
No, you're going to sit in the chair and work from your desk. But you are right, because most times people do have a computer on their desk.
And also a mouse.
Good. So the computer and the mouse would be the two things that belong together.
And chair.
Okay. Stay off my board. All right, let's do one more.
I wasn't working.
Okay. What on your board would go with my carrot?
Bunny.
Why does put your glasses on there? Why does the bunny...
This is like
Here, just take this one.
No,
oh, gosh. I got it right here. Wait a minute. Move your head. Can I get it? Okay.
You got it?
Yes. Why does the bunny and the carrot belong together?
Because bunnies like carrots.
They like them, so they do what to them?
Eat them.
They eat them. The bunnies like carrots, so they eat them. Humans. Very good. Humans also eat carrots. Do you like carrots?
I like carrots and apples. And
do you really like apples? Because whenever we have apples, you do not eat them.
I don't like apple slices. I like real apples what look like a spear.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. You like apples that look like a spear so you can just bite out of them.
Yeah, so I can crunch them.
All right, let's do so you can crunch them. Okay. Let's do one more. What on your board goes with my fish bowl?
Fish.
Why does the fish and the fish bowl belong together?
Because fish go in fish bowls.
Fish are typically put in a fish bowl when they're being used as a pet to give them something to swim around in. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. For watching. Hold on. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope that you will feel encouraged to purchase this product for your child. It can be very useful. It can be very interactive. And please take in mind, we are doing this demonstration with a child that doesn't necessarily have a diagnosed language disorder. But even with using this with him, you still saw how it can stimulate him to think about language in other ways, to talk about other things based on these boards that are related to his life based on what we were doing here. And that is the object of communication. You want them to properly communicate their daily life experiences with you. And that's what these boards are created to do. Anything you want to say, Ashton? Get in the camera so they can see you.
So
we're at the end of the video. So what do you want to say?
So subscribe and hit that like button.
Subscribe and hit that like button.
If you like our videos, look at some more.
Look at some more. Or they can also do what? Share it with what?
Kids.
Share it with their friends, right?
Or kids. Or kid friends.
Or kid friends. Okay. Bye.
Or family.
Or family. Ready? Let's tell them bye.